The Lion's Roar, Part 3, Leo and Myra's adventures continued, every ride strengthening their bond and shaping their courage. One day, a effective storm swept throughout the savannah, its thunderous roars echoing in the distance. Leo and Myra stood together, their dedication unshaken. As the storm raged, Leo's instincts led them to a hidden cave, a sanctuary from the tempest's fury. Inside, they found historical cave artwork that depicted tales of bravery and unity. Inspired, Leo and Myra traced their personal paw prints alongside the historic marks, a testimony to their very own journey. In the cave's heart, they encountered an historical lion named Rafiki, a sage who had witnessed the savannah's records unfold. Rafiki shared stories of legendary animals who had as soon as covered the land from darkness, their roars echoing through time. Emboldened via Rafiki's stories, Leo and Myra set out to find out the roar of legends, a fabled strength stated to lie hidden in the coronary heart of a faraway mountain. They confronted treacherous terrains, crossed speeding rivers, and scaled towering cliffs. Through every challenge, their dedication grew stronger. At the mountain's peak, they located a hidden chamber. Within, an historical lion statue held a crystal that shimmered with an otherworldly light. Guided through Rafiki's words, Leo and Myra unleashed a mighty roar that echoed through the mountains. A roar that held the strength to unite the savannah's creatures towards any darkness. As their blended roar resonated, Leo and Myra felt a surge of strength go with the flow via them. The crystal glowed brighter, and the echoes of their roar unfolded some distance and wide, accomplishing each nook of the savannah. When they again to the coronary heart of the savannah, they discovered animals of all types gathered, their eyes crammed with hope and unity. Leo and Myra's roar had transcended the storm's chaos, carrying a message of braveness and strength. As the storm cleared and the solar broke via the clouds, Leo and Myra stood earlier than the gathered animals, their hearts full of pride. With a single, resounding roar, they declared their dedication to defending the savannah and keeping its splendor for generations to come. And so, the lion's roar grew to become a beacon of hope, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, cohesion and braveness should overcome any challenge. Leo and Myra's adventures had no longer solely formed their personal spirits, however had additionally woven their legacy into the very cloth of the savannah. Your like, appreciation, and subscription are the greatest inspirations of my life. Please don't dislike it if you are not a kid. For any queries, please contact us using our website link. Thank you for watching.